Welcome to rule number 5 of our Rules of Winning Traders series. Rule number 5 is, lock in your profits. Let's start with an example. Suppose you bought 100 shares at the price of $10, with the stop loss at $9.45. Now the stock has gone in your direction and risen up to, say, $12. But now you're unsure about whether it will rise more or will it reverse from here. The best thing to do in such cases is to set a limit order that protects your profit. If you set a limit order at, say, $11.50, you've locked in 15% gains. If it goes more, that's great, your profit will increase. But in case it reverses, you will still take home $1.50 profit on each share, which converts to $150 for 100 shares. This is called locking in your profits. This approach makes sure that once you've achieved a certain amount of profit, it will not convert into a loss. You might have heard multiple times that you should cut losses short and let profits run. But many times, a decent profit can convert to a loss instantly in volatile markets. Which is why protecting your gains using a limit order becomes a necessity. Consistent trading success requires locking in profits rather than waiting indefinitely for the big one. Another approach that you can use to lock in your profits is by exiting half or 3/4 of the original positions. In above example, it would mean that you exit 75 shares at $12 and locked a profit of $150, and remaining 25 shares are still open. If the market rises further, your profit will increase. However, if the price falls back to say $10, you'd lose nothing. And even if it falls till your original stop loss of $9.45, you'll only lose 0.55 times 25 equals $13.75. Which means, you're still in $136.25 profit. Now that we've seen two approaches for locking in profits, let's see why is it so important to protect your gains. 1. Minimized risk. The biggest advantage is that now your gains are locked and will not be converted into a loss. Your chances to lose money in this trade becomes negligible. Markets are unpredictable. They can become volatile and reverse their direction any moment. Locking your profits ensures that a winning trade doesn't turn into a losing one, due to market fluctuations. 2. Emotional stability. Greed often causes traders to hold on too long, trying to maximize every last cent of profit. This mindset leads to taking excessive risks. Locking in gains protects your achieved profits from your emotional reactions like greed, FOMO, etc. Emotional attachment to trades makes traders reluctant to sell. Locking in profits overcomes this bias and anchors you in database decision-making. 3. Increased profit opportunity. The third most important advantage of this approach is that if the price goes further in your direction, you're still in the game to profit from that opportunity. You won't miss out on it, because you didn't close your trade completely. Now imagine, if you had booked your entire profits earlier, you wouldn't have the chance to maximize your profit on this opportunity. Instead, you'd be thinking of re-entering your trade again and again, which would have led to overtrading and increased commissions. Using this simple but powerful approach of locking profits makes your capital compound steadily over time through steady success. This consistent approach wins out over sporadic home run trades. If you would like to learn more about how to overcome overtrading, watch this video. In this video, I give 5 powerful methods to fix overtrading once and for all. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found anything of value.